When I was growing up, foods was planting food was something every household did. This is my banana, by the way. My banana just shoot, big type of banana. Food was something people planted everywhere in Jamaica. It was a standard thing. You know, um, Today we are facing what's called food insecurity. Food insecurity. It's a big thing we're experiencing, not just in Jamaica, but in the United States. It's more so, it's worse in the United States because already before the pandemic and all of that, we had we, there was generally known that 40 million people in the United States go to bed hungry every night. In states like California, in states like California, it's my cocoa plant. In state like California, you have in Los Angeles, I'm sorry, in the city of Los Angeles alone, you have over 40,000, 40 to 50,000 people who are homeless. And those people are facing severe food shortage. Food insecurity has become one of the biggest things. It's going to be one of the biggest weapons used in in actually warfare sometime in the future. But there are people facing severe hunger and starvation. And this is not something that we should actually be taking lightly because, especially coming on to the festive season, we now realize that, there are a lot of people who come to the United States expecting to find this huge bed of roses only to find themselves homeless and foodless. If you are Jamaican with family here, I want you to know that if you have not been in contact with your family and you're not hearing from them, it is very possible that your family could be homeless. All right, do not take it for granted that they are not, because food security and homelessness is very rampant in the United States. Okay, we have throughout this pandemic realized how much so how much so worse this has gotten. And so to just as a plea, we need to start planting way more foods than we are too dependent on the supermarkets, the supermarket chain. We see now where the supply chain is, there's a problem with the supply chain and food prices have gone up. uh, this is not the worst that it can get. It can get actually worse, and we should pay very, very close attention to the possibility that huge, big starvation can occur in a matter of minutes. Ooh, this is my sweet sup. It's actually turned. It's ready to come off. Yes. So as we're embarking on the festive season, I just want to ask everybody to check on your family, check if they're okay. If they are living in the United States, if they're living in the United States, check on them. You haven't heard from them. Sometimes people just don't want to answer you because they don't have anything to give and they think you're asking. But otherwise, if you can find means of checking, check on them and make sure everything is good, because hunger in the United States is not like when, I mean, hunger in Jamaica is not like when you're hungry in the United States. In the United States, there's no food. When there's no food, it's bad. In Jamaica, you can at least pick breadfruit or, pear or something. Pick some food and cook. Go dig old yam bush or something. In the United States, it is worse. So I want to leave you with telling you, plant as much as you can when you can, because food is life and food is independence. When you can feed yourself, you are truly independent. In the words of Michael Manley, you're truly independent when you can feed yourself. Thanks again for watching Wake Up and Live with Bob. And if you haven't yet done so, please like, share, subscribe, and tell someone about my video. Thanks again for watching.